Have you ever wondered how your body keeps harmful bacteria out and essential nutrients in? It's all thanks to a special layer called epithelial tissue. This remarkable tissue acts as a barrier, shielding our bodies from the external world. It's one of the 4 primary types of tissues found in animals. It's like a superhero, tirelessly working around the clock to keep us healthy and protected. That's the magic of epithelial tissue, the unsung hero of your body's defense system. So, what exactly is this epithelial tissue we're talking about? Well, imagine a protective barrier or a lining that covers all surfaces of your body, both inside and out. This, my friends, is the role of epithelial tissue, one of the 4 primary types of tissue in the animal kingdom. It's like the guardian of your body, protecting you from the outside world. And what's more, it's a vascular. That's a fancy word for saying it doesn't have its own blood supply. Instead, it gets its nutrients from underlying connective tissue. But wait, it's not just about protection. Epithelial tissue is also a master regenerator. It has an incredible ability to heal and replace its cells, making sure your body's protective shield is always at its best. Now let's delve a little deeper. Epithelial tissue isn't just one type. It comes in different flavors, each with its own location and function. For instance, simple epithelium, a single layer of cells, can be found lining your blood vessels and lungs. Its job? Filtration and absorption. On the other hand, stratified epithelium, with multiple cell layers, forms your skin and mouth lining, offering protection against wear and tear. So, you see, whether it's offering protection, absorption, filtration, or excretion, epithelial tissue is always at work. Now let's recap what we've learned about epithelial tissue. This is no ordinary tissue, friends. It's a vital part of our body's fabric, acting as a protective shield against harmful substances, bacteria, and dehydration. It's everywhere, from the surface of our skin to the lining of our lungs and digestive tract. Epithelial tissue is fascinatingly diverse too. We've got the simple squamous, known for its thin and flat cells, and the cuboidal and columnar kinds, each with their unique shapes and functions. And let's not forget the stratified epithelial tissue, with its layers of cells ready for heavy-duty protection. So, understanding these concepts isn't just textbook knowledge, it's about appreciating the microscopic wonders that keep us alive and kicking. Next time you enjoy a meal or take a breath, remember the epithelial tissue, working tirelessly to keep you healthy and functioning. Until our next deep dive into the wonders of biology, stay curious.